Model, 65 Plate Mercedes Sprinter 313 Cdi Lwb recovery truck, needs rear diff repair No Vat. Body, white, recovery. Mileage, 305,214. MOT, the 27th of March 2026. Engine, 2143 CCM 651 129 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Van starts but has no drive. Engine and gearbox sound great. No drive due to rear diff failing. Prop shaft spinning but no movement. Rear diff needs replacement or repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it.